हेलो दोस्तों। द बेस्ट फ्रेंड कन्वर्सेशन में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है मेथड वर्सेस कंस्ट्रक्टर। आज के इस टॉपिक में हम मेथड और कंस्ट्रक्टर के बारे में जानेंगे और उन दोनों में पर्टिकुलर क्या डिफरेंस है उसको भी देखेंगे। तो बनी रहिए इस वीडियो में लास्ट तक। व्हाट इज मेथड? In Java, method is used to perform some operation or a particular task. We write a method once and use it many times. That is reusability. The most important method in Java is the main class, the main method. So, the method is used to perform some operation, some task in Java. And we write method once so we can use it many times. Classes usually consist of two things, that is instance variables and method. But we know the classes can consist five things: instance variables, method, constructor, block, and an inner class. So let's see what is the general form of a method. So method declaration, we come to know about the general form of method. Here the type name followed by the parameter list, and in the block we write the body of the method. Here type specifies the type of data that is written by the method. This can be any valid type including class type that you create. The type specified by the data written by the method. This can be any valid type. That means it can be int, it can be string, it can be void, it can be long, it can be double. Any valid data type. If a method does not return a value, its return type must be void. So here we don't use the return keyword with the type void. Constructor is a block of codes similar to the method. So constructor is very much similar to the method, and it is called when an instance or object of a class is created. It has the same name as the class in which it resides and is syntactically similar to a method. So it has the same name in which it resides, same name as a class. The name of the class and the name of the constructor is must be same, and is syntax wise is very much similar to the method. Once defined, the constructor is automatically called when the object is created before the new operator completes. Here we have talked about the new keyword. So whenever a constructor is called, it automatically called when an object is created just before the new operator is complete, that is just before the equal sign. They have no return type, not even void. So there will be no return in the constructor. That's a major difference between method and constructor. Method has a return type, can be void, can be int, and anything, can be class name. But the constructor does not have any return type, not even void. So here we're gonna see the difference between the method and the constructor. Let's take an example. Let me create a main method. Here we have a constructor with the same name of that of class, and let's have a method of name. Oops, I haven't created the object of that class. Let me print this, and here we print the method. So value gonna print here. Let's see the output. So this is a constructor and this is a 10, the value which we written in the method. So what if we have the void method? We don't have to return, use the return keyword here, and we can say here this is a void type method. Mhm. D dot net to. So this is a void type method. It has printed here. We don't use the return keyword with the void, as I said earlier, and in the data type where the type is int, double, long. With that data type, we have used the keyword return. And the basic difference between the constructor and the method is that the constructor does not have any return type. See, it doesn't have any return type, not even void. And the name of the constructor must be same as the name of the class in which it is declared, as we can see here. So that's all about the constructor and method. In the next topic, we're gonna know about the overloading and overriding of these things. Thank you.